Hello friends, so you want to give your shapes and lines, a dynamic twist and, like the zigzag effect you want to apply, you want to implement to your lines and shapes in Adobe Illustrator. So zigzag tool, is the feature, is a simple yet powerful effect that can make your designs, stand out instantly. So how you can do that? Usually people try to do from paintbrush. Let me show you like the old method like this, and they want something like this, and then they go to the smooth, tool and do a lot of things. So instead of this, you can just create a straight line. Now you can see I just created a line with line segment tool. So we can go to effect and distort and transform, and here the zigzag feature, and here you can apply like relative, and the percentage you can select of size is 7%, and this is 4, and this you can select smooth. So see how incredibly we have applied the zigzag effect to the line. So you can click OK and see. If I increase the stroke size, you can see how easily we can, create this zigzag effect in Adobe Illustrator. So thank you so much for watching the video. I hope now you can be the master of zigzag effect in Adobe Illustrator after learning this amazing technique from my channel, from my video. Please share the video with your friends so they can learn and they can increase their professional skills. And also subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon so you will get the notifications of my upcoming videos. Thank you so much once again.